Hey, welcome. Now, if the user has clicked on the Save button, we want to change this text to say Saved. To do this, back to VS Code, and the first step is to create a variable. Over here, we are going to create a variable, and the type of variable we are about to create will store either a true or a false value. So this is going to be a data type of bool, and we can call this is save. Default is going to be set to force, and and scroll down to where we have this save button, and immediately we click on this button. We want to set state in order to refresh or update the UI. Then we want to change this is save to be true. Okay, sounds good. And over here, we can then say underscore the save is equal to true. This over here means true. Then we want to say saved. Else, this means else. We want to say save. We want to say save. Okay, use Ctrl and S to save. And let's see what will happen now. Performing alt reload, performing alt reload, and you can just go ahead and try yours out. Okay, click on this, saved. Okay, it has been successfully saved to our provider, and everything is working as we expect, right? Okay, we have no list, we have no sizes currently, so the button is not showing, but mainly we had probably small size and hard. We have this over and it is currently not saved to our provider, so we can then click on this to save to our provider. We can just go ahead and start this. Start. Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong. This should be over here. Start and test. Hi. Test. Start and the font. Font width is gonna be font width dot bold, and also we can give a latest percent of probably a 4 or 3 should be okay. And use Ctrl and S to save. Okay, we should have the style. Okay, sounds good. Working as we expect. See you in the next lecture.